Last week I made $1,297 online. No clients, no ads, just a custom AI bot I built in 15 minutes. In this video I'll show you how I did it, and how you can copy the exact method even if you're not tech savvy. Stick around because at the end I'm giving away the exact GPT prompt I used plus a strategy to scale this to $5,000 per month. So, what's a custom GPT? It's your own AI assistant built inside ChatGPT. You choose how it behaves, what it says, and what problems it solves. People are making AI bots that write social captions, generate business ideas, do fitness coaching, and selling access to them. Let me show you how I built mine, step by step. First, go to ChatGPT. Click on Explore GPTs, then hit Create. I called mine the TikTok Hook Generator. It helps creators write viral hooks in seconds. You give it a name, a role, and some sample prompts. That's it. You just built your first AI product. Now it's time to monetize. I listed mine on Gumroad for $7. People paid for instant access. You can do this too, and bundle your GPT with templates or PDF guides to increase the value. To drive traffic, I made short demo videos showing what the bot can do. For example, which hook is better, 1 or 2? Let's ask the AI. These short videos went semi-viral. People shared them. Some followed, some clicked, some bought. No ads. Just content that shows value. Quick warning, here are 3 mistakes I made early on. Don't repeat them. Number 1, don't make a general purpose bot, go niche. Number 2, test your GPT before sharing. Make sure it delivers real value. Number 3, add bonuses, templates, swipe files, anything plug and play. If this video saved you time, share it with a friend. Don't gatekeep the AI money game. Want to build your first AI side hustle today? Download my free AI Hustle Starter Kit in the description. And comment below if you want a full breakdown of how I scaled this to 4 figures a week. Let's go!